Are you looking for the best angle grinder for tile cutting? I have compiled a list of top 5 best angle grinders this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Before we start, I have a question, guys. Which one are you using right now, and what's your opinion on it? Let me know in the comment section.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense, till FlexVolt, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools, and our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that delivers the equivalent of 13 amps, maintaining speed through applications, along with perform and protect features you expect from DEWALT, like a kickback brake which slows the wheel when a pinch is detected. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20-volt max tools, all part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created.
This is the Bosch 1375A 4.5-inch small angle grinder. With a 6-amp motor and up to 11,000 RPMs, this grinder can power through concrete, rebar, and other materials. A 5/8-inch 11 UNC spindle works with a wide array of options so you can mount the most popular accessories. And the spindle lock allows for quick wheel changes. The lock on and off switch increases comfort during all-day work. The field windings are coated with epoxy, which provides ultimate protection against abrasive dust and metal debris that are often kicked up on the job. Service minder brushes stop the tool when preventative maintenance is required, so there's no more guesswork. The auxiliary handle can be moved into 2 positions that are specially designed and angled to a natural position for maximum comfort. So, this is the Bosch 1375A 4.5-inch small angle grinder.
This is Hitachi's 6.2 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder, model G12SR4. When you need a versatile grinder that can tackle a wide range of jobs in a space-saving handheld tool, look no further. This angle grinder has a terrific power-to-weight ratio for greater efficiency and reduced fatigue. Weighing just 4 pounds, its compact, smaller grip design makes for greater control and maneuverability, especially when grinding overhead or in tight locations. Don't let the size fool you. You get all the power you need from its 6.2 amp motor with 980 watts of maximum output for tough grinding jobs. Disc changes are easy thanks to the quick spindle lock. The left-mounted slide switch and quick off feature offer an added level of safety. The side-mounted handle feels rock solid and can be repositioned to accommodate both right and left-handed users. The G12SR4 6.2 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder comes with a 1-year warranty, 5 abrasive depressed center wheels, a wheel guard, slide handle, spanner wrench, and carrying case.
Hi, today I want to tell you a little bit about Metallo's M-Quick wheel change system. It's a totally toolless system for changing out your grinding disc, your cutting disc, your flap wheel, whatever accessory you might have on the tool. First, just a little bit about how the Metallo tool comes out of the box. You'll notice it comes out of the box without the guard on, without a side handle. You always want to mount the side handle, and then also always mount a guard and use a guard for safety while you're in operation with the tool. The guard, you'll notice, has 7 different stops. That is for your applications, for cutting, for grinding. So anywhere in that range of 7 stops, you can position the guard so it's always out of the way and it's always on the tool for safety. So let's talk a little bit about the M-Quick system. You'll notice on our nut that there are no holes. That is because there's no wrench that comes with the tool. It's not needed. On most standard grinders, you'll see the nuts have 2 holes and a spanner wrench that you use for loosening that wrench, or loosening the nut. So it's not needed on a Metallo grinder, because what we have is what we call the M-Quick system. As the wheel is spinning down, any of our tools with a red button on top, and you'll notice it says M-Quick on that button. You push the button, it frees up this quick nut by about 1/4 of a turn, and allows you to very quickly change out your wheel. Let me mount a wheel. I'm going to demonstrate how that happens. I'm going to mount a Type 1 cutting wheel first of all on the tool, and you'll notice how quick it is to spin down the nut, turn it over, and tighten it on. Now with a thin wheel, Type 1 thin wheel, you'll always want to enclose that wheel on 2 sides by 180 degrees. So Metallo can supply also what we call a quick clip guard. that simply slides over the guard that's on the tool and encloses that wheel by 180 degrees on two sides. Okay, let me demonstrate how the quick system works. First of all, I got to plug the tool in. I'll turn it on, and then notice in the end I'm going to push this button to free up the quick. Now, very quickly I can turn out that nut, but first always unplug your tool before changing it out. I've loosened up that quick nut by just about a quarter of a turn. The nut comes right off. I can take the wheel out. Now let's just say I made a cut and now I want to go in and clean up any burrs or any rough surfaces. So I'll put a flap disc on and turn the quick nut down very quickly. Okay. Spin that over and I'm ready to go back to work. So that is the Metabo M Quick system, the quick wheel change system, also the Metabo quick clip guard system for Type 1 cutting wheels.